Como el corrido yo alineo cabrones, tomamos las decisiones y ponemos las misiones. Rutas en barcos, camiones y aviones, del cartel estamos al mando, sigue creciendo señores. Un placer llevar el puesto de jefe, siempre respalda a mi padre, nunca voy a defraudarle.
What's up guys, welcome back to the Trokiando channel and to another video, and this time Tkog13 delivery. That's right guys, this truck is coming to Alton, Texas, the 956 to the Valley, to Mariano Mendoza. He was the lucky winner on this truck right here, and we're here delivering in person. Mira, the 450 horsepower Coyote. It's coming with two sets of wheels, the 20 runners in the front, then we got the matching 20x12 in the back, and then we have some matching 17x12s on the Mickey Thompson tires. So this truck is ready for the streets, also ready for the track, and not just that guys. Keys, titles, and 10 bands are coming on top with it. So if you guys missed out on that giveaway, I missed out on the next one. It's gonna be launching pretty soon. If you guys got entered and did not win, sorry guys, we can only take one winner, and this time it was Mariano's turn. We're gonna get his reaction right now. We're here in the 956. Actually the first truck to come out here to the 956. Pretty badass, pretty exciting. We had a long ass day, right? What time we leave for the shop? 3:50, 4 o'clock in the morning. So we've been up for a good while, and the plan is to drop this thing off right now, get his reaction, and we got some other little things planned too on the next video. So make sure you guys are subscribed. We're gonna be hitting up the guys at IC Suspension with the Race Red Coyote. Let's go turn it in real quick so we can go get those errands run, get his reaction, and then see what he thinks about the truck. So let's go. You ready or what? Yeah, let's go.
Good news and bad news.
What happened?
The black truck fell off. You ready or what?
Fuck, I'm ready.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
I don't know. I can't even speak right now. I'm nervous.
Nervous? That's first.
I'm anxious. I got my whole family, bro. I bought some barbecue, bake gifts for y'all and everything.
Oh, dang. La col. Your prize, Tkog13, you said your luck with us. Te calaste, güey. Mira lo que te ganaste. What you think?
I have no words, bro. I'm anxious. I was anxious. I couldn't wait. I really am.
There it is. Cumplimos con la palabra. Esta es la troquita, te grabo. Go, go, go.
¿Cómo le hicimos? Es la pregunta que se preguntan los envidiosos. Que porque después de la están Trokiando. Si hay negocios me echan el ritmo y se morritan.
There it is, bro. La troquita que le calaste la suerte. You bought what you bought?
A shirt for my son. He's over there.
He's over there, he's rocking it right now.
Yeah,
Míralo, I see him, I see him. Mírala, mírala. So he got that shirt for his son. Mira, y vino ganándose la troca.
$40, bro. That's all it took.
That's all it took. It can
Just
be.
don't give up.
Yeah.
Just continue buying. When it's your chance, it's gonna be your chance, bro.
You just gotta test your luck. You gotta test your luck. $40, $50, $10, $100, whatever it is. At the end of the day, if you want to buy something for you to rock out, you can win a truck. Míralo. Ya te andabas desesperado, ¿verdad?
No, güey.
¿Cómo ves?
Can't believe it.
Le tuvimos que dar una lavadita porque ya sabes,
Sí,
I mean,
sí,
a 4-hour, 5-hour drive here, pues it got a little bit
Right.
dirty, but we did it as best as we could. Appreciate you for letting us know the spot to go to.
Yeah, no.
Pero
Man,
ahí estamos, malona.
man, I cooked for y'all. Got some barbecue there for y'all when they ran out.
Hell
Check it
yeah,
out.
hell yeah, hell yeah.
So that's the least I can do. So.
Yeah, yeah. No, I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it.
Hell
Pues
yeah.
I mean, shit, here it is, bro. Check it out, dale toda la vuelta. Let me know what you think. No take backs. Yeah, he's going to the right home for the first RGV truck to the Valley. My boy over here got some little grub for us, man. So that means a lot to us, you know, coming out here doing the drives and stuff. I don't think we've ever been to a place turning in a truck, and we have a lot of people waiting for us, so it's pretty badass. Pretty badass.
I have to call all my family,
That's
but
good, bro. That's good.
Here, so.
We were just saying that on camera. I think this is the biggest turnout we've had. Like every time we go turn in a truck, it's just us, the winner, and maybe like
Yeah, I've seen that.
their husband or wife, or you know, yeah, husband and wife.
Trying to
Yeah.
make it a little bit bigger, you know.
Yeah. So I mean, you kept up with the truck, right? With the vlogs and stuff. Pretty much we bought it the way it is. It's got the custom drop kit. It's got the forged wheels, 20x5s on the front, so they're runners. So you gotta be really careful with these wheels, cause man, they're thin. They're thin. Then we got the 20x12s matching set atrás for your street wheels, street look, and we got the 17x12s matching set with the Mickey Thompson. So if you want to take it to the track, you'll be ready to go with those. This is a perfect, 7.5 class.
I love it, bro.
This truck
I
runs
love the
good.
setup.
Yeah, the setup is nice.
I like the stance with it too. It's real sporty.
Yeah.
I like it.
We were thinking about dropping a little bit, but I think it would have messed up with the stance a little bit. So
Yeah,
I think
so
it looks perfect like that.
There go the wheels.
Oh, there goes the wheel, yeah. The matching set over there. So if you want to go to the track right here in Edinburgh, slap those on, hit up the 750 class, have some fun. So yeah. So this one put 450 to the wheels, exactly 450 to the wheels. On the 85, so I think I told you gotta do 485 on this one. Yes, and a very spicy tune. So ahorita vamos a dar la vuelta para que le cales, fill it up for you guys, and go to the bank and get you the rest of the price. Shit.
Hold up. We was down for so long, didn't have no choice but to go up. Pull up. Spending racks and image on my girl, watching her glow up. Rich nigga still in the neighborhood store eating cold cuts. Street nigga, bitch, I'm in the Bentley doing donuts. Taught myself how to get millions.
6 gears. Keep it at 30. Whenever you're ready. Louis. Shit moves, huh?
Good. Hell yeah.
On that spicy tune, guys. It's 450 horsepower. Coyote. Officially staying here with my boy Mariano. Hey, wait. That's fucking dope, bro.
Badass truck, bro.
Badass system. Fresh interior. Running good. Ya te enseñé los tricks, güey. Ya te enseñé los truquecitos, para que.
Tricks. Man.
So you can have some fun here in the valley.
It's gonna have fun tonight, for sure.
Hell yeah.
El cielo se ha puesto gris y el viento sopla sabroso. En estos días lluviosos, todos se ríen de mí porque me gusta salir a chapotear por los pozos. Chapotea y olvida.
Guys, we gotta fill it up with the 85. Make sure it has a full tank, a fresh oil change, and then the bank was a fail, but we're gonna try another bank. We went looking for a bank and it was a small little ATM.
Y la acabamos de lavar, compadre.
Tanque lleno, ni la lavadita.
Hey, Nada más falta que se moje la roja.
Doesn't that always happen? It always happens.
Hey, these fucking pumps are badass, you know? Reach a big ass screen. We need this shit in Houston.
They do have them.
Do we need a car wash?
No.
You haven't seen the little hood store right there by the top?
Nah, mames,
They
güey.
have big screen. The zip and zip out has it.
Yeah.
The zip and zip out has it.
You tripping, bro.
Nada más que Juan don't stop there because he thinks it's ghetto. He goes to the shell because it's bougie.
I mean, it's probably a little watered down gas.
Yeah.
Pumping right 885 right now. Pero, do you know what a 885 tester is?
No, the little bottle, I never used one though.
Okay, so it's pretty easy to fucking use. You pretty much just it just tells you like this much water and the rest is fuel. And then that way you can test it. Every once in a while, if you want to come here and test it, make sure it's 485. As long as you're 485, you can be driving it like you stole it. Right now, I would Cadillac. Yeah, Cadillac, yeah. Cadillac right now. Te mando un link de 85. Es pinche una botellita, güey. Parece una water bottle. I'll send it to you and I'll see if I can send you a little video of how you use it, but it's super simple. The bottle tells you, fill it up from here to here water, and then from here to here fuel. Shake it up, let it sit, and then you just wait for the ethanol content to mix, yeah. But ahorita, we gotta fill it up, we gotta make sure it's filled up. So, it's gotta be at least, I mean, it says minimum E70.
Feeling, man? How you feeling?
Man, I can't believe it, bro.
The first couple pulls, you were like taking it easy.
Yeah.
And then I think on the last one, he finally dropped it down.
I showed him how to do it.
He showed me how to drop it down and look. Man, I kind of let go of it because it was.
He was stepping on it, I was like, it feels good, huh? He's like, yeah. I was like, all right, let's drop gears now. So I kind of showed him, like, you gotta go to manual, drop gears, and then don't shift. It'll shift by itself. And then ya le dimos y agarró con madre.
It worked good, bro. It worked good.
And little whipple on this one wouldn't hurt. A lot of the comments are saying you should have whippled before I gave it out. Guys, come on. Mira la troquita. Chulada de troca. Super clean. 26,000 miles. Mira, 26,000 26,200.
26,200.
I bought it with 26. Only put 200 miles on the bitch. And I was just driving it back and forth for rollers. It was pretty much just rollers. Brand new interior.
And you can win it by just buying a shirt. And even win, at least you get a merch, you know, you get something. You don't have to, you don't stay with anything. So, hey guys, don't give up. Just keep buying merch. You'll get it one day.
I need to do it. I need to convert everything to 85. Yeah. 25 bucks.
25 bucks? Damn.
I was expecting like 60, 70 bucks. You want to drive it or you want me to drive it?
You want to drive?
I ain't your truck no more, bro.
Bro, what's wrong
You
with
should
this
be like,
guy?
it's my truck, bro.
It's my truck, but I want you to drive one last time.
You don't want him to drive though.
Yeah, you don't want him to drive. Don't let him drive.
But you don't want him to drive.
Come on, bro. Vamos para allá and then we'll wait for the rental. They can complete with the full price, truck, keys, title, and 10K. So, the last part of the deal, guys, the truck, keys, title, y los 10K. All yours, bro.
Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag.
La dieta next week. La dieta next week.
I don't think we ever started that diet.
Never. Alright guys, there it is. TKOG13 officially staying here in Alton, Texas. RGV, the 956. Our first show coming out here. Pretty badass. It's going to a really good home. He was telling me a bunch of backstory. He was actually trying to get one, what, a couple weeks ago?
Yeah, a couple of weeks ago, like 3 weeks ago.
About 3 weeks ago. Trying to get one, no se hizo for whatever reason. He tested his luck, got a shirt, and todavía se hizo. Al final del día, todavía se hizo. He still got a truck right here. So, bro, congratulations again.
Sir.
We gotta make it official. So, ahí está. He tested his luck. He got some drip. He got a shirt for his son. A couple weeks later, he actually got it on the last day of the giveaway, on the Father's Day. That's when he entered. And then a week and a half later, we called his name, and he was the winner for this truck right here. This truck, keys, title are yours.
Thank you.
And I got one more thing for you. 10 stacks. All yours, bro. Thank you. Congrats, bro. Congrats. All yours. Hope you enjoy it. Coming to a good home. Y pues,
That's crazy.
all you gotta do is test the look, guys.
All I gotta do is join the giveaways.
That's it.
You can't play. You can't win if you don't play.
Así es. Así pasa. So, appreciate you guys for watching. Wait for TKOG13. It's gonna be launching pretty soon. You might be the next winner, and we're gonna be here or there delivering and in your driveway. Just gotta do a test that look. So, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Y'all make sure y'all hit the subscribe. Let's go.